We make the StealthKey. It's the world's first 3D metal printed key. It's a mechanical key, but unlike common keys that have the security fittings outside, we put them inside of the key. You cannot 3D scan it, you cannot copy it, you cannot 3D print it at home. The issue with 3D printing now and 3D copying of keys is that anybody can make copies of keys. And the security breach is pretty intense for security managers of facilities because they no longer have key copy control. There's no control of unauthorized duplicates. And essentially we're just turning the key inside out. So we hide inside. It's the future of high security keys from our point of view. And the beauty is that unlike common keys where you have key blank stamping and then you have the keyway and you drill holes and you make all these steps, we 3D print the key in metal. So in one single step, you make the entire key. Our vision is that all lock companies in the end will switch to 3D metal printing. Maybe the StealthKey, maybe not, but it's just 10 times better in all dimensions compared to the old industry.